Toads. These small, humble creatures are often overlooked but play a crucial role in ecosystems around the world. With their bumpy skin and slow, deliberate movements, they might not capture attention like some of the more charismatic animals, but toads are far more important than they might appear. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of toads, exploring their biology, their benefits for farms and gardens, and why you should consider welcoming these amphibians into your green spaces. Let's begin by learning about the basic biology and life cycle of toads, then move on to how they fit into ecosystems and what they offer to those who work with the land. Toads are amphibians, part of the broader class of animals that includes frogs, salamanders, and newts. But unlike their close relatives, toads have dry, bumpy skin and are more adapted to life on the land. One of the defining features of toads is their breeding habits. During the warmer months, adult toads return to the bodies of water like ponds, marshes, and slow-moving streams to lay their eggs. Toad eggs hatch into tadpoles, which undergo a metamorphosis over the course of several weeks. As they grow, they develop legs, lose their tails, and eventually emerge onto the land as juvenile toads. These tiny toads will spend most of their lives on land, venturing back to water only when it's time to breed. One important thing to note is that toads are nocturnal. They're most active at night when they hunt for food. During the day, they often hide under rocks, logs, or leaf litter, conserving moisture and staying out of sight of predators. Toads are perhaps best known for their voracious appetites for insects. These amphibians play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, making them invaluable for farms and gardens. A single adult toad can eat hundreds of insects each night, including mosquitoes, flies, slugs, and beetles, all of which can be pests in garden environments. In fact, toads are sometimes referred to as nature's exterminators because of how effective they are at keeping pest populations in check. Gardeners and farmers who cultivate toad-friendly environments often see a reduction in the need for chemical pesticides, making toads an eco-friendly solution for managing pests. This is particularly important for those who are practicing organic farming or gardening, where avoiding synthetic chemicals is a priority. Think of toads as your personal pest control, working quietly, efficiently, and at no cost to you. Whether you're dealing with slugs munching on your lettuce or beetles chewing on your tomato plants, having a few toads in your garden can make the world of a difference. Beyond their ability to control pests, toads also contribute to the overall health of the soil in your garden or farm. Toads tend to spend time burrowing into the soft soil to stay cool and moist during the day. This process helps aerate the soil, improving its structure and allowing oxygen to reach plant roots more easily. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, and toads play a small but significant role in maintaining that health. In some traditional farming systems, particularly in the rural areas of the world, farmers have long known the value of toads. In rice paddies, for instance, toads help keep down the population of harmful insects, allowing the crops to grow with fewer pest-related issues. And the benefits don't stop there. Toads are also an important food source for other animals higher up in the food chain. Snakes, birds, and even some mammals prey on toads, and their presence helps to maintain the balance of local ecosystems. A healthy population of toads can signify a healthy, balanced environment. If you have a garden pond or are considering adding one, toads can be a wonderful addition. Garden ponds provide the perfect breeding ground for toads, especially if they are free of fish, which can prey on toad eggs and tadpoles. By providing a water source, you'll create an inviting habitat for toads, encouraging them to take up residence and become long-term members of your garden ecosystem. Remember, toads need both water and land to thrive, so having a mix of damp and dry areas in your garden will give them the perfect environment. Planting native plants and creating shaded areas can make your garden even more toad-friendly. For those with larger-scale farms, toads can provide similar benefits to what they offer in gardens. In agricultural settings, pest insects can wreak havoc on crops, leading to costly losses. But with toads around, pest populations are naturally controlled. For example, a study published in the journal Ecological Applications found that amphibians, including toads, significantly reduce crop damage by preying on pests like slugs and beetles. Farmers who support amphibian habitats see fewer pests and healthier plants. Having toads on the farm also helps reduce the need for chemical pesticides, which can be harmful to beneficial insects, pollinators, and even the soil. Toads offer a natural alternative that doesn't disrupt the balance of this ecosystem. While toads are incredibly beneficial, they are facing significant challenges in many parts of the world. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change have all contributed to declines in toad populations. The use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers can also be harmful to toads, as they are highly sensitive to environmental toxins due to their permeable skin. But there are more ways you can help. Creating a toad-friendly garden is one of the best things you can do to support these amphibians. Provide water sources like ponds, avoid using harmful chemicals, and make sure there are plenty of shaded areas where toads can hide during the day. Additionally, if you come across toads in your area, consider building small shelters such as overturned pots or piles of rocks where they can seek refuge. By taking these steps, you're not only helping the toads, you're also creating a healthier environment for your plants and crops. Toads may be small, but they are mighty. As natural pest controllers, soil aerators, and the indicators of a healthy environment, they bring countless benefits to both gardens and farms. Their quiet presence works beyond the scenes, ensuring that plants can thrive without the constant threat of pests. So the next time you see a toad in your garden, consider yourself lucky. These little amphibians are some of the best friends a gardener or farmer can have. And by creating a welcoming environment for them, you'll be investing in the long-term health and success of your plants. Toads are more than just another creature in the backyard. They are vital contributors to healthy ecosystems. Whether you're tending a small garden or managing a large farm, encouraging toads to take up residence can have far-reaching benefits. Let's work together to support these amazing amphibians and ensure that our gardens, farms, and spaces continue to flourish. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on how to create a thriving, sustainable environment in your own backyard. Until next time.